Hello, good day viewers, welcome back once again. Today we're going to factorize the following given Quintic expression. We have x to the power of 5 minus 3x to the power of 4 plus 4x squared minus 1. I will advise you to stay tuned because this is going to involve a lot of manipulations, right? But we need to get the factorized expression for the given Quintic expression, right? So here we have x to the power of 5, then negative 3x to the power of 4. I will write it as negative x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4. Now remember, we don't have the third power of x, right? So I'm going to evoke some important things. But what I'm going to do here, if I can subtract x to the power of 3 and subtract it one more time, for us to get this vanished, so we need to add 2x to the power of 3. Amazing. Okay, now what is the next? Then we have here 4x squared, so I can write it as plus 2x squared, right? Then we have plus x squared plus x squared, which will make their sum to be exactly equal to 4x squared, right? And again, I need to, we don't have the first power of x, so I should make something really nice. Then if I add x, I need to subtract it once, so that if you subtract this, we still have it to be out of this expression, right? So then we have minus 1, right? Okay, now the most important thing here to do is to know how to group these steps for us to make something really nice when factorizing them, right? So see what I'm going to do. From here we have x to the power of 5, then minus x to the power of 4, right? Then what should I do now? So let us try subtracting x to the power of 3. Good. Okay, now from here, remember this time we have not made use of it. So we have here minus 2x to the power of 4. Okay, then here I need to add plus 2x cubed. Remember this one is having 2 times. So any other thing we need to put together with this, then we need to have 2 times that thing, right? So here we have 2x squared, so this should be here. Oh, okay, so we have here, remember, minus x cubed is left here, so we have minus x cubed. So what do we do? So we need to add x squared and we need to add x. Remember, what will be left is x minus x, x squared, right? X squared, then minus x minus 1. Amazing. So now here, the common factor here is x cubed, right? So we factor it out. X cubed into bracket x to the power of 5 divided by x cubed will give us x to the power of 2. Negative x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed will give us negative x. Then negative x cubed divided by x cubed will give us negative 1. Okay, now from here we need to factor out negative 2x squared. Then this will give us here x squared, and here this will give us negative x, and from here this will give us a negative 1, right? And again from here we need to factor out negative x, and from here we have here x squared, here we have here negative x, from here we have negative 1. So look at these expressions in the bracket. The last 3 terms here are exactly the same with the expressions. So what do you think we should factor out from here? So I think that would be 1, right? So we have plus 1, then x squared minus x minus 1. Okay, now from here we have a common factor, right? And that is x squared minus x minus 1, which is the quadratic expression. So here we have x squared minus x minus 1. So we're going to factor this out. And from here, we are left with x cubed. From here, we are left with negative 2x squared. From here, we are left with negative x. And from here, we are left with plus 1. And from here, we get the factorized form of this as x to the power of 5 minus 3x to the power of 4 plus 4x squared minus 1. This equals x squared minus x minus 1 multiplied by x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 1. And this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.